Who uses a casket worth over 150 million naira in this economy, where things are already showing Nigerians shege? Guess who? Ebonyi Billionaire, popularly known as Baby Oku. This week, Ebonyi State did not just host a burial, it hosted a spectacle, hotels fully booked, roads jam-packed, the entire state buzzing. A prominent businessman, CEO of Chubby Zion Industry Nigerian Limited, laid his father to rest in a ceremony that has now become one of the most talked about events in Nigeria, from Eza South in Ebonyi State. But what truly caught everyone's attention? A customized golden casket that has sparked massive controversy online. Now here's where it gets really interesting. Some say the casket costs 50 million naira. Others claim 150 million naira. And then there are those saying it could be as high as 900 million naira, 900 million naira for a casket. So what's the real price? No official confirmation yet, just speculation, debates, and heated arguments across social media. But one thing I know, this wasn't an ordinary burial. This event had everything. Top dignitaries, influential personalities, and even the state governor who arrived with an entourage that got people talking. It was a gathering of the who is who.
those other people to obey. Happy are those who die in the Lord. The nations are in the hands of God. This poor man, God on the children.
And then came another jaw-dropping moment. Cows. Not one, not two, not 10. It was literally raining cows in this burial. From truckloads prepared for the burial to gifts from friends, family, and well-wishers, the display of wealth was impossible to ignore. As expected, Nigerians had a lot to say. Some praised the show of love and honor for a father. Others questioned the extravagance, especially in times like this. Is this culture? Is it status? Or is it simply too much? The conversation is still ongoing. So now here's the big question. How much do you really think that casket is really worth? And beyond the price, do you think the level of spending is justified?